there is a great deal of confusion when it comes with MVPs because they might be perceived as prototypes or as projects that have a very short lifespan. Let me remind you something. P stands for product in MVP, right? It doesn't stand for prototype, minimum viable prototype. That means that your customers are going to interact with a deliverable, and that can cost money or make if it's good. So I think MVPs are real applications, real products, and you should definitely see them in this way. Thus, testing should be the priority, should be like a very integral process in creating these apps and delivering them to your customers.
Right. If you're planning to write a prototype and if it's successful, it's going to become the product, you should test it.
100%. Yes.
Got it.